Hello everyone, once again we are here with the same chapter. In the last video we have discussed about the terms related with the lenses, just like the aperture, center of curvature, radii of curvature, principal axis, optical center and principal focus. And moreover we just come to know about the rules for forming images by the concave and convex lenses. So today we are going to discuss the formation of images by a convex lens when the object is placed at different positions. So what are these different positions? First of all, the object is placed at infinity. So this is the convex lens. This one is the optical center. So here at a distance of, with the scale at a distance of 3 centimeter, I am taking here F. This is F. And at a double distance, just like the center of curvature, it will have 2F. Here this side also, because it has 2 foci and 2 radii. So this is 3 and one more is there, that is also 3. This is 2F. So the object is placed at infinity. So this is the object which is placed at infinity. This is the object head and this is the base. So rays are coming. We know that when the object is placed at infinity, rays will come parallel to each other. So one ray will pass through the optical center. You know that the ray which will pass through the optical center will not refract. It will go straight. And other ray, second ray, just like we have discussed in the last video, the first rule was this: when the ray, this is the converse of the first rule, when the ray pass through the focus, this is the focus. So after refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So we can see here, both the rays are just intersect each other here. So at this place, the image is formed. So this was the second focus. So this is here F. This one. So the ray which will pass through the focus, after refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So when the ray is placed at infinity, 2 rays we have assumed here, one is passing through the optical center, remains undeviate, and the second is passed through the focus, after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. Where they meet? They will meet at the other side focus. So what type of image is formed here? So this is A dash and this one is B dash. So what type of image is formed? Image formed, number first, where it is formed at focus. First point. Second point, this will be real and inverted. And C point, highly diminished. Highly diminished. So this is when the object is placed at infinity, the image formed at focus, real and inverted, and highly diminished, means is smaller than the object. So we can see here, this is L and L dash. This is the aperture of the lens. This is the center, the optical center. So ray passing through the optical center, it will not refract. Second ray pass through the focus, after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. So where they will meet? They will meet at the other side focus. So this is. Now the second rule is there, second position is there between infinity and 2F. 2F I told you, that is, suppose if we are taking here at a 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. I am taking here from the center, optical center, I am taking here 2 centimeter. Suppose this is one side F, and the double distance means 2 centimeter from focus, this is 2F. It is not center of curvature, it is 2F, but we call this center of curvature. So this is other side also, this is 2 and this one is also 2. So this is other side F and 2F, or we can write F dash and 2F dash, or F1, F2 we can write. So here is, So where the object is placed? The object is placed beyond 2f, between infinity and 2f, or we can say beyond 2f, 2f के पीछे. So suppose the object is placed here. This is object is placed here. Suppose this is A and this one is B. So you know that one ray will pass through the optical center. This is pass through the optical center from head to optical center. So it will not refract, it will go straight. And other will pass through the head, will be parallel to the principal axis. This is parallel to the principal axis. So after refraction, it will pass through the focus. Like this. So there will meet each other, intersect each other. This will be the position of the object. This is, suppose this one is A, B dash, this one is A dash. So ray which is passing through the optical center will not refract. Another ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction will pass through the focus, where both the rays will meet between F and 2F. So this is the lens LL dash, or you can write LM, LN, your choice. So what type of image is formed? Where the image is formed? Image formed between F and 2F. B part, real and inverted. C part, it will be smaller than the object. Smaller than the object. So this type of image is formed. This is between where the object is placed. The object is placed between beyond 2f, or we can say between 2f and infinity, or beyond 2f. Two rays, one is parallel, after refraction passes through the focus, other rays is passing through the optical center, will not refract, where they will meet between f and 2f. So where the image is formed? Image formed between f and 2f, real inverted, is smaller than the object. Now where the object is placed, again we are taking here, this is 2f, so we are marking here at 2 centimeter. This is at 2 and further at 2. This side also at 2, further at 2. So this side f, 2f, f dash and 2f dash we can take, or f2f we can write. So where the object is placed, the object is placed at 2f. Suppose here the object is placed at 2f. This is L dash, this is the optical center. The object is placed here, this is A and this one is B. The object is placed at 2f only. So again the ray will pass through the optical center. The ray will pass through the optical center. From the head, the ray will pass through the optical center. So it will not refract. Other ray will be parallel to the principal axis. It will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. It will pass through the focus. So where they will meet to each other? At 2f only. at 2f. This is B dash A dash. Where the object is placed at 2f, two rays will go. One is passing through the optical center, it will not refract. Other will pass through the from the head parallel to the principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus where both the rays will meet. They will meet at 2f only. So what type of image is formed, or where the image is formed? Image formed, first part, at 2f. B, real and inverted. C, at C, same size. Size will be same. At this position the size will be same as the object. So this is the third position. Now the fourth position is there between 2f and f. So this is L dash. Suppose this is the optical center. Again we will mark here at 2 centimeter. This side also 2. Here is further 2. This side also further 2. So f, 2f. This side also f, 2f dash. So where the object is placed now? The object is placed between 2f and f. So suppose here the object is placed between f and 2f. This one. This is A, this one is B. So one ray will pass through the optical center from the head. It will pass through the optical center, and other ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. It will pass through the focus. So I have to extend this ray so they can intersect each other like this. So where the rays will meet to each other, they will meet to each other beyond 2f. Beyond 2f. This is B dash, this is A dash. So you can see here the image is bigger than the object, where it is formed beyond 2f, real and inverted. So what type of image is formed? Image formed between beyond 2f. Beyond 2f. B part, real and inverted. C part, larger than the object, or we can write enlarged like this. Okay, so this is the fourth point. First point, at infinity, at focus, real inverted, highly diminished. Between infinity and 2f, or you can say beyond 2f, image is formed between f and 2f, real inverted, smaller than the object. Third position, at 2f, object is placed at 2f, image is formed at 2f only, real inverted, same size. After this, the size will increase now. The object is placed between f and 2f, image is formed beyond 2f, real inverted, enlarged. Now next position is there. In next position, the object is placed at f. We know this because we have done this in the principal focus. So suppose this is f, this is 2f, other side f, other side 2f. This is our optical center, lens. So the object is placed at focus. This is A and B. A and B. The object is placed at f. So here the ray will pass through this one is F, 2F. The ray will pass through the optical center from the head. Other ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction will pass through the focus. So they will remain parallel to each other. It means that where the image is formed somewhere at infinity. What type of image is formed? Image formed first part at infinity. B part real and inverted. C part highly enlarged. This one at infinity, real inverted, highly enlarged. Now the last case is there between F and optical center. So this is L dash optical center, again at 2 centimeter position we are taking here. This one is 2F, this side also at 2 centimeter I am marking here. So the object is placed here between F and 2F. This I am taking little smaller. So this is the object. So one ray, this is F, 2F. So one ray will, this is A and B. One ray will pass through the optical center. Other will be parallel to the principal axis. After refraction will pass through the focus. But you can see here, this side, the distance become more and more. So what it will do, it will meet somewhere at back. So we will extend both the rays to this side. So like this. So the image formed will be like this only. So what type of image is formed? Image is formed behind the object. Behind the object. Or we can say on the same side of the object. Behind the object or on the same side of the object. B part. Now you can see this is erect. So virtual and erect. C part. It is larger than the object. Larger than the object. Or we can say magnified. That's why this lens is also known as magnifying glass. So these are the 6 cases. All 6 cases in which we are having the different type of images. So here we have to draw ourselves all these type of images. So you can see here the convex lens just having the same type of properties, just a concave mirror. Convex lens and concave mirror. Now what are the uses of the convex lenses? Convex lens is used as a magnifying glass. Convex lens is used in theater spotlights to converge the light at a single point. Convex lens is used in specs for the correction of defect of vision known as long-sightedness. It is used as objective and eyepiece in many instruments such as telescope and microscope. So these 2 questions you have to do in the notebook and draw all these ray diagram your own and learn them. The lengths we will take in the next video. Thank you so much.